Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add more columns in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open a random spreadsheet. Then once you're here, you're going to click on Insert. Then as you can see, there's the columns page. You're going to click on it. There's Insert one column left or Insert one column right. You guys could choose either of the two. So it's going to insert a different column for you guys. So you guys could do it as much as you want. Click on Insert, Columns, then Insert. To see the added columns, you'll have to scroll to the right. As you can see, there are two new columns we added. So this is how you do it. You also have a new method. You guys can click on the little arrow to the side of the letters. Then as you can see, there is the insert button. So you guys could also add an insert button by using that technique. So by scrolling to the right, you guys can see the added columns. So this is how you do it. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.